Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add another calendar to the Google Calendar. So at the start, you need to find the file with the other calendar. You can export that from the Google Calendar in your web browser. If you want to avoid the redirect to the app, open it in the incognito mode. And now you can see the export calendar. This is the hard reset calendar. Now choose export and download. Now we have to export that, extract files. If you don't have the app for the extract, just download the winner from the Play Store. Okay, now we can go to the file manager and look for the ICS file. Then choose the calendar, tap on the add all, and select the calendar that you want to add the file, like a shareable. Click add all, and now we added all of the events from the HardReset calendar to the shareable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.